In front of me is XIAOMI 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then hit While using the app and Allow in all available pop-ups. Close and add and adjust all of those options however you want to. Then to apply your new layout, hit Set as Default and tap on Launcher Pro. As you can see, after that, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to your default one, go back to the same app, close and add, tap on Set as Default and choose System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!